Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to clear your search history over on Twitter. Works the same on mobile and on desktop. Here we are on the Twitter app. Make sure you are logged in to your account where you want to clear the history. And once you are here on the little home or your feed, you want to go ahead and tap on the search magnifying glass there at the bottom of the screen to get to the search options here. And then once here, go ahead and tap into the search bar at the top of your screen. And then once here, you're going to see your recent searches. You're going to see your recent searches for users as well as terms and words. So in order to delete an individual word or search result, you would just tap and swipe to the left. So tap your finger, swipe to the left. That will bring up the delete option there, and it will automatically do that. So as you can see, I just tap on the search result, swipe to the left, and it is gone, just like that. Swipe to the left, tap on delete, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to delete all of your search results, what you would want to do is there is a little X at the upper portion of the screen. If we tap on that little bitty X there at the top of your screen, you'll now see once we tap it once, it'll have the word that says clear. So go ahead and tap on the word clear, and that will, as you can see, clear all of your recent searches. Now, it will not clear your saved searches. If you have a search that you've saved that you like to tap on, it's a community you're a part of. As you can see, I'm a part of a couple here. You can delete those by just going here and swiping to the left, as I did earlier, and then just tapping on delete, and that will delete your saved searches. If you have any questions about how to do any of this, please put that in the comments section down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great tutorials like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.